Hello, welcome. Let's do a revision check on this. Two forces of magnitude 50 newtons and 35 newtons are inclined at an angle of what? 30 degrees to each other. We have to find correct to the nearest whole number the magnitude of their resultant what? Forces. Remember our tutorial we did. If I have two forces that are inclined at an angle, let's see. First force, I think this is good enough to have 30 degrees, right? So let's say this is 30 degrees angle. So angle 30 degrees is here. There are two forces. The first force is 50 Newton. The second force is what? 35 what? Newton. All right, so what are we looking for? We want to find their resultant forces. The resultant forces is a force that is in between them. Now, to find this, we need to resolve this by drawing a parallelogram in such a way that if I make this line parallel to the 50, then I make this line also parallel to, is it drawn to scale? Okay. Let's see if this is also parallel. I think this will cut through this place. Okay. All right. So now that I have this, you can see this line is parallel to this. Hence, it will also be 35. Parallelogram have the opposite sides equal. This is also going to be 50 Newton, 35 what? Newton. So if this force is going in here and the same force 50, this 50 is also going, we need a resultant, as in the direct movement here without passing through the corner here. So if I'm to put A, B, C, D here, moving from A to C without passing through the B is the resultant what? Force we are referring to. So this is the resultant force. Now we also know that this line is passing through to the corner here. But the angle here is going to be this angle plus this angle equals to 180 as co-interior angles. So this is going to be 180 minus 30. That will give us what? 150 degree. So we can say that from the triangle ABC, picking only the ABC, we are going to using the cosine rule. We are going to have the R, which is the resultant square, equals to this one, going to be 35 square plus this 50 square minus 2AB. So we have 35 times 50, then the cos of the angle we are having here, which is what? 150 degrees. Remember what we did? We can solve this two ways, as in maintaining the 150 in the way it is, or remembering that the 150 is going to become the 30 for negative. So this become what? Positive. There are two ways we can go about that. So now let's see if we find 35 square. So 35 square should be giving us 1, 2, 2, 5. 50 square should be 2500. Let me maintain the minus for now. Then 2 times 35 times 50 will also give you 3,500. Then the cos of what? 150. I can maintain this and add 1225 plus the 2500, and that should be giving us our 3725. Here I am going to say plus 3500, the cos 30. You will get the same answer if you make here minus and maintain the 150. I'm only trying to follow the series that we did from the previous episode. This become R square equals to 3725 plus 3500, the cos of what? 30. And that should be giving us 3031.0889. What do I do? Let me compute that again. So let me add that result to 3725, and that will be giving you 6756.0889. What do we need? We need the resultant R without the square. So R equals to the root of 6756.0889. Let's put that in our calculator and see. And this will be giving you 82.1954. But we are asked to leave our answer in the nearest word, whole number. So therefore, we can only conclude that the magnitude of the resultant force is going to be 82 Newton. That is just by leaving our answer in the nearest whole number. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.